Hi, this is the Idolcam 4X Pro, a camera cage for your iPhone and pocket cameras like the Osmo Pocket, GoPro Insta360s. So you got your camera cage here. This is the camera cage. You could mount batteries to extend the runtime of your devices. You could mount, there's like a hot shoe, you could mount your external microphone. Lighting, there's a lot of these 1/4 mounting spots, so you could mount your lighting. So unlike most other camera cage, what this does have is a 4th axis. So this dampens the up and down bobbles when you walk. And this version here has a dual suspension that helps you carry heavier camera loads. So this is a standard version, doesn't have the suspension. So this is good enough for smartphone and any pocket camera, but if you have like cameras like Zv1, any of the micro mirrorless camera, this will help you take out the load. And you could also put this the second arm, so now it's like Steadicam. You could have 2 arms, so you have a wider range of motions. So you have this dampening and also this guy dampening. So that's the cool part about having a dual suspension.